Hey everyone, it's your friend Roman from the Roman Now Show, and welcome back to Roblox, where today we're playing Escape Super Fat Guy Obby. Why are there aliens? Wait, oh. I didn't think he wanted, oh wait. I didn't think he wanted us to disturb him by eating this pizza and things like that. Alright, so let's go. You know, everyone has, oh wait. I've got an alien? I got an alien. You know, I wonder why there's aliens in the game. If you wonder about that too, subscribe down below, because now I'm making lots of game videos. The last one I made was finishing the Carnival of Terror, so. Alright, let's go. Whoa! Oh, another building. Yeah, we're outside. Oh, wait, where is he? Oh, there you are. I'm sorry, sir, you can't. So wait, I think when you get the checkpoint, he spawns. Like, watch, ready? I think. Ready? I think he'll come. No, only something, because he just said it there. You don't hear him until you get the checkpoint. So just skip the checkpoint and it'll be fine. You don't have to listen to his annoying voice or something like that. But no one's ever tried that. Oh. I got a gun. Okay, go! We're gonna go on there, I think. Wait, oh, can we just go around? Yep. Super Fat Guy Obby. Go.
Fat guy.
Super Fat Guy Obby. Yeah, this one. Alright.
Alien. I remember you.
Oh, sewers. Let's see if the guy will spawn.
I played this before.
So.
And you played this before too.
Well, yeah, I didn't finish it though. I just forget lots of it because I haven't played it in a long time. Alright. Yeah, he spawns when you get checkpoint. You were the grossest person on earth. Oh wait, it's those. They look like little octopi in there. I was like, oh, I don't know, but I think it's. You know what? I haven't died even once yet, so let's do that. Not
hot dog part.
There's so many hot dogs parts. Like I don't know if the thing where you. Oh wait, I think you're supposed to collect burgers. Yum yum yum. Oh, we can play as Fatty Jr. He's fatter than you think, cause he is fat. He's either Fatty, Mr. Fatty, or Fatty Jr. I think he's Fatty Jr. Let's play as Fatty Jr.
He's timing you.
What do you mean he's timing me? Oh, okay. I think he. Yeah. Thank you, Mom. Alright, so wait. I don't know. So wait, we get. He is so bad. Oh, but he's very unhealthy. He'll die. He's gonna die. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, I want. Look at my shoulders on the top. Alright, so we go. Wait, which way we go? Up? I would say we're going. Oh, up is the next. It's showing where the next checkpoint is. Checkpoint O. There. Alright, now. Oh, we got more burgers. I mean, sandwiches. Sorry, I'm really into hamburgers and cheeseburgers, everything like that. Hamburger, cheeseburger, baby back ribs. Wait. Backroom. Ugh. Wait, let's see what they got. You forgot a burger. Nope. Darn. No, LOL. I'm a hot dog. Oh no. It's raining pizza. Why is there teeth on the toilet? I guess that kind of makes sense, but is that blood? What is that? What is ketchup? No, that's sweet barbecue sauce? Spice? I don't know what that means. Spicy? I think it's spicy. Oh, that guy's red and he just got touched by his own color. Ooh, waffles. You know, I don't like waffles though. I only like them because they're kind of soggy. You know, I know it. I mean that. Everyone says that. Most people that I hear says waffles soggy. They're so similar. But I just don't like waffles. Gotta get this burger. Yum yum yum. I've had so many burgers. Oh wait, what do these do? Oh, they blow you away. Okay, jump. The alien. If I die, the alien dies. Wait. Oh yeah, I died only once. That's actually good. Kind of good. Maybe doing this. Oh, this is my kind of toothpaste. I got green, red, and no, blue, red, a burger. Ugh. Ew. We were just on the toilet seat. Oh, we gotta guess. I'm going for the middle. Alright, let's go for yellow next. Yellow. I don't want to say it because it's embarrassing. I think you guys know. Oh, there it says how many burgers they collected. Oh, okay, nope, don't use yellow. Alright, I'm following this girl. Go, Moana! You look like Moana. Go ahead. Oh, never mind. She already went. Alright, it's not red. That's all I know. It's not red. Go for yellow? Nope. Alright, it's blue. It's blue. She had no idea. I am a hot dog. Hazel's saying so many things. Mostly. Alright, so I know this. It's gotta be the middle. It's gotta be the middle. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Oh, it's like a maze with brushes. I mean, no, not brushes. Things that comb your hair. Combers. Whatever you call them. I don't know. Alright, 5 minutes. We've been doing this for 5 minutes. Alright, guys. I haven't... Oh, wait. Hey, the ketchup dude. Ketchup guy. Whatever. I don't know your name, but I don't know who you are. Alright, let's go. We have 4 more minutes to complete this, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, because if you do it for 10 minutes, it takes up a lot of time. You won't be uploaded for, like, maybe, like, how long the video is. It's not uploaded for until how long the video is. When you're waiting, like how I did. Oh, can we get that? Oh, we can't. Why can't we get the ones that are glowing? Somebody already got them? Oh, maybe you get the ones that no one got. Oh, that's probably what you do. You know, I have 16 out of 30 burgers for a long time. Right? I don't care about you, fatty junior. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm still on them. I'm still on the soda machines. Any more? Nope, we got cookies. Let's see Fatty Jr. We're definitely going into him. He's talking. Right? Let's see if he was over there. No, okay, whatever. Alien, don't die. I'm trying. Ah! Well, okay, that kind of tricks them. I don't see my alien anymore. Oh, come on, bro. You're in the toilet. You know I'm doing that. Ew, in the toilet though. Ah! Wait. Oh, it fell out of his mouth. Wait. What happened? At least he docked. I just jumped. Nothing happened. Why'd that happen? Oh, lava. Yo, he got lava inside of him. This ain't good. He already ain't good. I don't care about the food. He got lava inside of him. Really? This is... Wait, how do we make jump? No one's making that jump. How do you make the jump? Oh, okay. Get you. That's impossible. It's an impossible jump. No one makes that. Wish I had a speed thing. Wish I had the speed. Maybe if you jump? I don't know. There. Wait, no, I didn't spell that. There is a big space on stage 38, guys. Oh, wait, I'm going back there. Oh, this is not working. I'm gonna have to end this. Neat. Oh, this is as close as I can get. No! Boys are close. No one makes that. Wait. Still, I'm going back. Alright, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna do this. Guys, we can make this jump. Alright, guys, I think that's gonna be it. So I'll try next time. Well, guys, that was it. I don't know, it was a big thing. This is the name of it now. Oh man, but so thank you guys for watching. We'll try to escape Fatty Jr. soon, like in a while. See you soon. Bye bye.